Hi Mariah, my name's Christian Rinna with RinGen SEO. We are a family-owned digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website, if done properly, can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be playing the game of whoever paid the most money to Zillow this month gets the best leads, gets the most leads, right? They're your leads because it's your site, all right? So I have your Facebook page pulled up here. First of all, I'm glad to see that you're blasting out that you're a realtor. So that's awesome. That's what you need to do. A lot of realtors don't do that. That's what you're doing. That's awesome, right? So congratulations on that. I do have your business Facebook page pulled up here. You have one. So you guys are doing good, right? You got everything set up and you do have a website. So moving to your website. Okay, this is where it gets good. Three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing is content. Now, you do have a website, so you obviously understand the importance of being online. But the real question is, how many leads are coming in through this website? How many people are finding this website on their own, coming to it, clicking on it, and calling you, right? That's the real question. Only you know the answer to that. So to get started, content is king, all right? Google loves content. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So the thing to keep in mind is that you want your photos to be saved the right way, especially in real estate websites with the IDX feed and all the listing photos. There's a lot of opportunity to rank your website on the back end with your photos. So just keep this in mind. How you save them matters. So a lot of times when we upload photos to the internet or a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. Usually it's random letters and numbers. Well, I went through your website and there's a significant amount of photos that are saved that way. And so that's not doing you any good. So do your homework and make sure that you're saving your photos the right way, okay? Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All these directories are going to give you citations. The more you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Oklahoma City real estate agents. We got Becky Ivins, Livingston Real Estate Team. Okay, and then I don't think I saw Kalhor Group here either. So how far down are we going to have to go to find that website? That's the real question. So next is, even more importantly than that, you already know about Google My Business page because you have one, which is good. But I think that I went 2 or 3 pages down and couldn't find you. So there's some work that needs to be done to improve that. And a couple things I noticed is that, first of all, congratulations on the reviews. 35 reviews with 5-star is definitely something to be proud of. The only other suggestion would be take your website and add it down here in the appointments section. And it's just going to be another way to help add exposure to your website and give people an opportunity to click on it and find it. And then even more importantly than that is these photos, right? So you have one photo, okay? You're going to want to have 10 minimum is what we recommend. And then you're going to want all 10 to be saved the right way, just like we spoke of about in your website. So do your homework and make sure your photos are saved the right way, and then make sure that you have 10 of them minimum, okay? And that'll definitely help you with some citations. Again, as many citations as you can, and just keep pushing those reviews. Obviously, you take pride in those reviews, and that's definitely something to be proud of. So congratulations on that. The last thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. So anywhere that kalhorgroup.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so you guys have 16 backlinks from 7 referring domains. But as you can see, your domain rating is only a 7. That's a 7 out of 100, very low. And you actually only have 6 keywords that you are ranking for organically, all right? And that's down 1 from when they did the last measurement. So this is a tool we use called Ahrefs. But either way, not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks to be coming from sites that are relevant, clean, not spammy, and powerful, okay? So you need to do your homework and make sure that your backlinks are coming from sites that are, again, relevant, clean, not spammy, powerful. And so, like I said, they're not all created equal. You don't just want to go out there and saying, hey, give me as many backlinks as I can. I don't care where they're coming from. They need to be coming from good places. So you need to get this domain rating up with those backlinks to get you some more exposure. And this will definitely help to help bring your website up into the main pages, top 3 pages, top page if done properly. So keep that in mind. Do your homework on backlinks. And other than that, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your website, into your Google My Business page to bring you some more leads and in turn more money. And if you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. Feedback is appreciated. And thank you very much for watching.